how to customize the clock, text style, and font color on the lock screen of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on wallpaper and style. After that, tap on the lock screen wallpaper, that is the one on the left hand side. Then tap on the clock. Next, from the pop-up at the top here, the top row, you can change the text style. So here I can change the text style, swipe across for more text style. And here you got Roboto font style. You can also download additional fonts as well. So that's the different clock style. So in here you tap on that and then you select a font style. Now to change the font color, you tap down here. That will allow you to change the text color. You can also tap on this button here on the last button. This will open up the color selection pop-up. From here you can select a color that you would like to use. Then tap on done. And that's it. Or you can select one of the preset color in the color selection here. After you can tap on the done button to complete. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.